The purity of these words touch our heart and strength of our faith. As we listen to this song, let's take a moment to reflect on Allah's greatness and are born with Him. In every gesture, there is a story. In every expression, there is a word of emotion. Let's tell this tale. Let's take this book